Hello, dear children, good morning. Today I am going to continue the reading part of your lesson 3 World Heritage Sites in India. WORLD World HERITAGE Heritage SITES Sites in India. So all of you open page number 275, lesson 3 World Heritage Sites in India. In our previous class, we have completed the reading part of World Heritage Sites, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, right? And in today's class, we are going to continue from Kaziranga National Park. KAZIRANGA Kaziranga, NATIONAL National PARK Park, Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park in Assam, ASSAM Assam is RENOWNED, renowned for its SUCCESSFUL, successful, CONSERVATION, conservation of the one-horned, HORNED, one-horned Indian, RHINOCEROS, rhinoceros. It also PROVIDES, provides HABITAT, habitat for a number of THREATENED, threatened, SPECIES, species, and MIGRATORY, migratory birds. It is spread, 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 along the BANKS, banks of the MIGHTY, mighty, BRAHMAPUTRA, Brahmaputra river on the north, and LUSH, lush, green, Karbi Anglong, KARBIANGLONG, Karbi Anglong hills on the south. It is a haven, HAVEN, haven for the Royal Bengal tiger, ROYAL, royal, BENGAL, Bengal, TIGER, Royal Bengal tiger. So it is also RECOGNISED, recognized as a TIGERRESERVE, tiger reserve. Asian elephant, ASIAN, Asian, ELEPHANT, elephant. Wild Asiatic water buffalo, WILD, wild, ASIATIC, Asiatic, WATER, water, BUFFALO, buffalo. Hoolock gibbons, HOOLOCK, hoolock, GIBBONS, hoolock gibbons. Barasingh, BARASINGHA, Barasingha, SAMBHAR, sambar, and gharial, 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 or other precious, PRECIOUS, precious species that live in its grasslands. The Great Indian Hornbill, 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 and the Indian vulture, 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 are some of the birds which can be found, FOUND, found in the park. Apart from these, Kaziranga also has a rich variety, VARIETY, variety of vegetation. The Sun Temple Konark, the SUN, Sun, TEMPLE, temple, KONARK, Konark. The Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha, 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 is a SACRED, Sacred Hindu Temple. It is a MARVELOUS, marvelous, SPECIMEN, specimen of, ARCHITECTURE, architecture. It was built by Narasimha Dev, NARASHIMHADEV, Narasimha Dev, one of the East Ganga dynasty. It is DEDICATED, dedicated to the sun god. It is built in the shape of his chariot, CHARIOT, chariot. It was built in the 13th century. This temple is one of the most well-known temples in India. It is also known as the Black Pagoda, BLACK, Black, PAGODA, Pagoda. Architecturally, 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 the Sun Temple adopts the Kalinga style of architecture, KALINGA, Kalinga, STYLE, style of, ARCHITECTURA, architecture. It is made of sandstone, SANDSTONE, sandstone. Like a chariot, 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 it has 24 wheels on its sides and is led by 7 horses, SEVEN, 7 horses. All these are intricately designed, INTRICATELY, intricately, DESIGNED, designed. Next, the Mountain Railways of India. The MOUNTAIN, mountain, RAILWAYS, the Mountain Railways of India. The Mountain Railways of India represent the engineering marvel, MARVEL, marvel of rail tracks on mountains and have been recognized, RECOGNISED, recognized as World Heritage Sites. The Darjeeling Himalayan, DARJEELING, Darjeeling, HIMALAYAN, Himalayan Railway. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway and the Khalka, KALKASHIMLA, Kalka Shimla Railway, collectively, COLLECTIVELY, collectively form the heritage sites. They constitute the railway routes in the Himalayas and the Western Ghats. These rail routes were commissioned, COMMISSIONED, commissioned by the British during their rule. Most of the trains are still in operation. They run on steam, STEAM, steam engines, and or some of the few narrow, 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 GAUGE, gauge trains in the world. These trains swing across a rugged, 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 MOUNTAINOUS, mountainous terrain at a very high elevation, 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 and provide a scenic, SCENIC, scenic view of the region. Initially, 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 the trains served, SERVED, served as the only link between the hill stations and the foothills. Today they are a popular tourist attraction. So, this is all about the reading part of your lesson 3, World Heritage Sites in India. So children, once go through the today's video. Pronounce the words carefully. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay? Bye children. Thank you.